What's up, everybody? Last video I showed you how to build a PC, and I left out how to install graphics cards because I was having technical difficulties. But right here I have a mid-tower case that I'm able to install my main gaming graphics card, this GTX 1050 Ti, into my PC. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to notice is right here where these slots are. Usually there's a bracket in the way of you installing your graphics card. Make sure that that's taken out, but do save the screws that came with it because that's how you're going to keep your graphics card in, which I will show in a little bit. Next, what we're going to do, since we have all those slots open now, we're going to take our graphics card, and usually it'd be facing down for most graphics cards. There might be a few exceptions. And you want to plug it into the top slot on your motherboard, and it'll be like very long. You might have to do some jerking around, but once you have it in there, hold on the case and push in, and you should hear it click. And then you go back here, there should be a lock. You want to pull that towards the graphics card. It's right over here. You want to pull that in. And then what we want to do is take our screw right here. I only have one at the moment. I keep on losing these screws, but I'm going to screw it in on the bottom. And for this one, this takes up 2 slots on my brackets. So you would usually have 2 screws plugged in, screwed into it. And this keeps the graphics card in place from wobbling up and down. And that's what we're going to do, is you want to plug in your port. You might be using HDMI or DisplayPort or DVI port, especially on the 1050 Ti. Those are the slots I have. You could also be using USB-C, but let's go ahead and plug this in. And it'll be on the back right here where we want to plug it in. Right here is DVI port, this is HDMI, and this is DisplayPort. I'll be using DisplayPort today, so I'm going to plug it in, make sure that's facing the right way. And then it should be in there. DisplayPort has an automatic locking in there, so you can just tug on it just a bit. Don't tug it on like hard, because you could snap it. Then what we're going to want to do is turn on our PC. And then after probably just a few seconds, you'll see that your display will turn on and have something pop up just like that. And you'll be booting into Windows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye.